Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. So we are going to find the sine rule and prove it through our investigations. So to start off, I'm just going to use what we know about sine. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So I'm going to look at sine A. Sine A equals opposite, which is h, height, over hypotenuse b. I can take b to this side by timesing both sides by b. b sine A equals h. I can use the same for my b, angle b, and go sine b equals h, opposite over hypotenuse, h over a, and I can then go, well, times each side by a, sine b times a equals h. If they both equal h, that means something, because I can go sine b, so a sine b equals b sine a. The next thing I can do to solve this, and I'm going to, this is timesing by b, so I'm going to divide both sides by b. This is timesing a, so I'm going to divide both sides by a. And we get the form, the a's cancel out and we get the form sin b over b equals b and b times b divided by b cancel out. Should use a lowercase. Sin a over a. So sine b angle divided by b is equal to sine a divided by a. Now I'm going to change this line, and I'm going to putting a line over here, straight down the middle, and that means I can find C now. So let's have a go at doing my sine again. So I'm going to go sine b, angle b is opposite, so that is h, opposite over hypotenuse c. I want c by itself, so I want h by itself, so I'm going to times both sides by c. That's the same as me going c times sin b equals h. Let's do angle c. Sine c equals opposite over hypotenuse, h over b. I want h by itself, so I'll times both sides by b. b times sine c equals h. So this is all just us using algebra. Now I know both of those are equal to h, so that means I can say that c sine b is equal to b sine c. I'm going to get all my b's on one side, all my c's to one side. So I'm going to divide this side by b, and I'll divide this side by b. This is timesing by c, I don't want c there, so I will divide this side by c, and I will divide this side by c. So timesing dividing c cancels out, and it leaves me with sine b over b. Same here. I've got timesing by b dividing by b. It cancels out, so it just leaves me with sine c over c. Now, I've got sine b over b here. So that gives me my sine rule? My sine rule is sine B over B is equal to sine C over C is equal to sine A over A. So we have, using our understanding of the basics of trigonometry, we have come up with the sine rule. So if you ever get stuck, go back to the basics of what you understand with trigonometry and use it to find the rule.